I don't even know where to start, okay? The amount of people we've lost to the clout chase race. Yo, what up YouTube? Okay, that was like the worst intro ever, but like how many videos have you seen with somebody getting up in the camera like this? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good, surviving, not dying, you know, those types of things. But there's a disease going around. And the disease is lack of authenticity. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it so other people that are looking for this type of content can find it. But let's get into the video. So I'm gonna give you guys some tips and some pointers since you guys seem to like my self-help collection of videos, you know, my self-help videos that I give you guys. And honestly, these videos aren't just for you guys, they're for me also. And I really feel like it helps me to heal, to share this information to you guys as well. So let's get into the video. So I know you guys might be wondering what on earth possessed me to talk about this subject specifically. Well, there's been a couple of things that have happened over the last couple months, years even, and I've been keeping a lot of information to myself, so it's time that the truth comes out. But also, we all know that I love tacos, okay? So what I did is gonna be another mukbang type thing, but I don't really wanna call it a mukbang. But yo, look at these tacos, dog. Look at them. Oh my God. Okay, you know what? So, while we're talking about authenticity, I'm gonna be stuffing my face. Real talk, y'all, I done lost, like... Okay, but anywho, I lost the booty. So, I guess what you guys will want to know is, what the F made me want to talk about authenticity? Well, first off, let's just start off with my journey and like how I am as a person, okay? Like me, I'm weird. I'm finally at a place where I can say this with confidence now, okay? People have been calling me weird my whole entire life, okay? I don't know why everybody thinks I'm weird, but everybody has been calling me strange. And honestly, now that I'm older, I could kind of see why. You know, I never really liked doing things the way other people did them. I'm not gonna make it sound like I'm that much of a rebel because I'm not, but like, I don't know, I always had a little twang, you know? People were like, yo, what's wrong with you? And so now I wanna talk about that. Like, people can never put me in a box, and that's what my channel stands for. That's why I call you guys Team Limitless and why I want us to be limitless together, because I don't believe in that. Like, I feel like, what is our human ascension process supposed to look like exactly? You know, it's different for everybody, and like, some souls come here to party and others come here to get work done. Trying to open the sauce. My process with authenticity is really quite strange. Like, I went through my highs and my lows and like my in-between and my confusion, and it's been a long ride. And honestly, what I have to say about that is like, I've just seen so many people compromise their morals, not really know who they are, steal platforms. I do things in my own time. I don't believe in rushing. Ultimately, I want to be in divine alignment with myself and what my mission and my purpose is. So I move at the time that me, myself, and my soul and the Holy Spirit would like to operate now. Oh my gosh, guys, I dipped in sauce. I dipped it in sauce. Look at it. Oh my God. Woo! Never had this. I hope it changes my life. Okay, here we go. Uh-huh. Ooh. But let me try these other snacks too. Like, the things people probably think they know about me, I'm sure are completely wrong. Especially because people can change, and they change so much as people. And if you are the person that isn't sharing your truth, then people don't know what else to believe. But like, yeah, let's try this. Let's try this astronaut ice cream. Honestly, I'm so scared to try this. Like, I'm not gonna lie. You know those people on YouTube that be just gulping into anything? Like, I'm not gonna hold you, cuz I'm real scary. Like, oh, they wrapped it. That's so cute. It really is like an ice cream bar. I got a Neapolitan, guys. Or Neapolitan? Neapolitan. I think that's how you say it. But like, this is strawberry on this side. You got vanilla, and then there's chocolate over here. Here we go. Because it just, oh my goodness. Okay. It smells weird. It smells like buttered popcorn. Well, when you remove the water from the ice cream, what do you have? A delicious, crunchy yet creamy sweetness that melts in your mouth, sandwiched between chew chocolatey wafer cookies.
Oh my God!
It's actually not that bad. It's not that bad. I give it like a 5 out of 10. I gave it a 5, shoot, 4.5, because that was weird. So here's some tips that I have for any of the small content creators out here. Everybody's purpose behind creating content is different, and for me, I think it's just mostly to have fun, to inspire others, and to just go on the journey of finding myself, but also to spread love and light. I would say tips for creating content: stop stealing other people's content. That's number 1, okay? Stop stealing other people's content. Not be authentic if you're stealing somebody else's content. How do you expect people to receive you as yourself and you're pretending to spiritually be somebody else? You can only be who you are, and people can sense fakeness, okay? So no, that's number 1. Number 2, I would say, if there's something that you like or a style that you want to emulate, a trend that you want to try, I would just ask yourself, how would I do this? I like this trend, but like, how does it work for me? Like, how would I do this? And I think that's the number 1 thing that people don't do, is they just think, okay, if I can regurgitate this, then I'm just as good as everybody else. Number 3, I would say ask yourself, like, what is your intention behind doing this? I feel like you'll live a more purpose-driven and more wholesome, like fulfilled life if you always ask yourself what your intentions are behind trying to replicate something, behind trying to create something. Like, does it make your soul happy? Like, what is the goal? Maybe it doesn't make your soul happy. Maybe you just want to practice. Like, what is the purpose behind you creating this content? Number 4, I would say, ask yourself, what do you like? Like, if you don't you have to spend time with yourself. There's no getting away from the inside of you. Like, there's no getting away from it. You're always gonna have to deal with the icky, disgusting things that are within your heart, your mind, and your spirit. And the sooner you deal with it and you put it to the side, the more power you have. But the longer you try to deny yourself of going through these yucky moments, the ups and downs, the highs and lows, you don't grow. You don't really have character. Like, you don't really get the opportunity to develop that character. So, and that's the thing that's going to make you authentic, and that's the thing that's going to make you stand out and resonate with the party that you're supposed to speak to. So I don't believe that you can bypass the ugly parts of a process. You can never lie about what your soul experiences. Like, people can sense that. It's intuitive. You cannot sit up here and people are just always gonna know who's real and who's not. Like, you heard that saying, real recognize real, and that resonates with you. And then, you know, life, whatever you believe in, your higher power, your higher self, etc. Like, I believe in God, but like, God will reward you for walking it out as you, because he designed you to be you, and there's only one you, and there's only ever going to be one you. Even if somebody tried to make another you, it's not going to be them. It's not going to be them, because God literally gives people certain gifts and talents, and they all have purposes and they all have reasons, and everybody can't handle the things that were given to specific people. So I think, you know, if you want to succeed in life, the truth is to be yourself. And most people think that's cliche and it's corny, but like, you literally are put on this planet and assigned certain tasks based off of what you can handle, how your life situation was set up, how you grew up, and it's like you cheat yourself out of getting the things that were perfectly and custom made for you by trying to do things like somebody else. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. Bye. That your path is your path, and there's nothing else like it. Your path is designed exactly for you, and only you can go through it. But like, who's gonna tell the story if you don't walk your own path?
I won't never sell my soul, and I can take that. And I really wanna know where you at. Put at the up, I shoot at the cup. Woo. I got knots on top of my knots. She said she won't date, took her to Six Flags, I took her to nuts. Put on a roller coaster, about to f*** off top. Pulling out the coupe at the lot, told her 12 SWAT.